Hello, everybody. Anita here, and I hope your day is amazing. Today, we're going to talk about what are you saying to yourself? How are you speaking to yourself? Are you always down on yourself? And even if you're not verbally saying it, what are you saying in your head, in your spirit? Are you saying that you're no good, that you're a loser, that you can't succeed? What we say to ourselves is even more important than what other people say about us, which you need to ignore and work on your inner self. You need to love yourself more. And you can do that by noticing what you do right. If you listen to people very carefully, they say, well, I give up. I'll never be able to get that new job. I feel sick. I just don't feel good. They can come out of the depression. They don't have to stay there. You can work your way out of it by the way you talk to yourself. It won't happen overnight, but it's so important because you're programming yourself with negative thoughts. If you don't feel good about yourself, if you don't build yourself up and look for ways to build yourself up, who else is? No one else can do it for us. We have to do it ourselves. If you don't see your value, how can other people see your value? If you don't love yourself, how do you how can you attract love into your life? Many people want to have a boyfriend or girlfriend, husband, wife, but they will say they're too ugly, too fat, too skinny, whatever. That's not true. There's someone out there for you, on the face of this earth somewhere. You can find your twin flame, your soulmate, and all that by attracting them to you. But you got to feel good about yourself also. If you are doing these things, you can do subliminals on your in your subconscious about self-confidence and things like that to boost the way you think is what I'm trying to say. Sorry. But watch what you're saying to yourself. When you go to the mirror and look at yourself in the morning, don't be calling yourself fat and ugly and everything, and notice what you're thinking, because that really gets there too, just not what you're voicing. But many of you just think that going by the mirror, oh, I'm ugly, I'm this, I'm that, I'm not handsome, I don't look like that guy over there, or whatever. Stop doing that, or at least for this time, make a conscious effort to recognize what you're thinking, what you're saying, and what you're doing. Little changes every day add up to big results. You got this. You can do it. You can just change one thing a day on purpose, and you'll start feeling better about yourself. Whatever it is, you can change it. Change the thought patterns. Change the way your life is going. But what you are saying to yourself has a major impact on the way you are living, whether good, bad, or indifferent. We are co-creators with the universe. We co-create by our words, our thoughts, our intentions. So you really want to watch this and start changing it. Don't get on yourself when you notice a wrong thought or something you said. I just replace it. Go, oh man, I'm sorry. just replace it with 3 positive ones. If you're looking in the mirror and you don't like what you see, don't berate yourself. Just go, I'm getting more beautiful every day. I'm getting more handsome every day. I am healthy. I am making $20,000 a month, whatever it is. And you can do this, just little things. Even you are calling things that are not as though they are. Even in the Bible, they speak of this. Jesus does. Call those things that aren't as though they are. That's law of attraction. You are stating what you want and you are manifesting it. You are bringing it to you. And just keep this up. It's worth it. If you really want to change your life, start with the little things and work your way up. With that, I will leave you. I love you all. God bless you all. May you have an amazingly blessed day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.